What's in the box?
What's up, everyone? Welcome again to another episode of What's in the Box, the series where, of course, unbox the stuff that I get. And here is the latest delivery from the Max Verstappen shop, as you can see. And you can already tell a bit what's inside, what I bought. I also got this little sort of pouch, orange army pouch with the Max Verstappen logo. Very nice, but I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But here's the actual thing that I bought. And as you could see a bit from the top of the box, well, here's a little greeting card, a shop card as well. But here is the actual thing that I bought. And this, of course, is the season 2015 half-scale helmet, as you could tell from the design on the top maybe. And I actually forgot I ordered this one. It's been on pre-order, let's say, for a while. And I kind of forgot about it. This, of course, is an array helmet. He's now contracted to Schubert, of course, or has Schubert helmet. And this Mini is actually made by Schubert as well. Here's a nice Scuderia Toro Rosso logo, which I really like. But yeah, let's open up this box and have a look at the Mini helmet. And as you can see, it's wrapped in this nice little pouch. Oh, you get a little extra as well, probably an aero piece. Yeah, there's a chin spoiler, the see-through chin spoiler with the adhesive on it, so you can put it on yourself. But yeah, as I said, an array helmet, even though it's made by Schubert, but has this nice array protective pouch that comes with it. And here is the actual Mini helmet, and the colors already look really good through this protective mousse. And here we go. Here is the 2015 Verstappen array helmet, his helmet from his debut season, of course, in Formula 1 with the Scuderia Toro Rosso. And I think at first glance this helmet looks really nice. As I said, it's an array shape helmet, even though it's made by Schubert. But they've done a pretty good job on it, I think, with this island panel here as well. And then these vents at the front, they're actually real vents and not these stickers that Sports Miniline uses nowadays. Schubert have also added these aero parts, like the rear spoiler here and this top fence, even though they're not shaped correctly, and I might switch them to more realistic parts at some other point in time. The visor opens up nicely, but here again these visor fixings are not the correct ones. But as I said, maybe I'll update it later on. The design itself and the colors are pretty nice with this matte finishing. On the front, of course, the lip spoiler still needs to be added, which, well, I will do when I upgrade the whole helmet. In the meantime, this Mini helmet looks very nice in combination, of course, with the 118th Mini Champs model of this first season in F1, the Scuderia Toro Rosso STR10. But this was the quick unboxing video of this Mini helmet from his debut season 2015. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like down below if you did, and check out the other unboxing videos as well and the other content on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next one.